Okay, number 43 gives us this data. It tells us to find a quadratic, let's see, find a quadratic function that models the data as a function of x. So once we have all that data in there, I don't want to bore you with typing all that in, I did it ahead of time, go to Stat and over to Calc, and the quadratic regression, that's number 5 there. And how did you know? Because they told you in the problem, do quadratic. Okay, so whichever one of these to pick is usually just given to you in the problem. And let's hit enter one more time. And so there is our equation, and that actually matches our answer key, one of the regressions that actually works. So let me write that down. So 28x squared minus 21x plus 655. That's what this means. This is just like the ABC in the quadratic formula. A is the number in front of the x squared, B is the number in front of the x, C is the number at the end. Okay, and we're not going to use the formula, but I'm just saying that's where it would come from. And then the next part says use it to estimate the number of waterfowl on the lake in week 8. So 28. What it's saying is just put 8 in for x. Again, I'm not going to do any of that by hand. I'll have the calculator do that for me. Type it just like that. So 28 and then 8 squared. I guess I could just type 64, but oh well. Minus 21 times 8 plus 655. And 2279, and that is the answer on your answer sheet. So one of these regressions that actually works. It's amazing.